Hey there, kids! Today, I have a magical story to share with you. It's called The Golden Tree, a story of kindness and sharing. So get comfy, and let's dive into this enchanted tale. Once upon a time, in a small, drought-stricken village, people were struggling. The fields were dry, and the rivers had turned to dust. The villagers had become grumpy and selfish, each keeping to themselves. They believed they didn't have enough to share. But there was one boy named Sammy who was different. Sammy had a kind heart and always smiled, helping his neighbors even when he had very little. One day Sammy went into the forest to search for food. Deep in the forest he stumbled upon a strange and wondrous sight, a radiant golden tree glowing with golden fruit. A magical voice whispered from the tree, "Take what you need, but only what you need, and I will keep giving." Sammy hesitated, then picked just 3 fruits, one for his sick mother, one for his little sister, and one for himself. The tree shimmered and said, "Your kindness and gratitude will bring you great blessings." When Sammy returned to the village with the golden fruit, people were astonished. He shared his story, and soon everyone wanted to see the magical tree. Driven by greed, the villagers rushed to the forest. When they found the tree, they didn't listen to the magical voice. Instead of taking only what they needed, they grabbed as much fruit as they could, fighting and arguing. The tree began to lose its glow, and its leaves started falling. The magical voice thundered, "Greed has poisoned your hearts. Because of your selfishness, I will withhold my gifts." The golden tree turned gray, and the villagers were left with nothing. Sad and ashamed, they returned to their homes. Sammy, heartbroken for the village, returned to the tree. He bowed before it and said, "Please forgive us. I will do anything to bring back your blessings for the people." The tree, touched by Sammy's sincerity, gave him a task. Plant 1 seed of kindness in the hearts of others, teach them to share, and I will return. Sammy began helping his neighbors, sharing food, carrying water for the elderly, and encouraging others to be kind. Slowly the villagers noticed how much better life was when they worked together. They began sharing their resources, planting crops, and caring for one another. One day the golden tree reappeared, brighter than ever. The voice said, "Your kindness has restored my power. Now I will bless your village with abundance." Rain fell, the fields turned green, and the village became a prosperous and joyful place. The villagers learned that kindness and gratitude are the true treasures of life. And that, my friends, is the story of the golden tree. Remember, being kind and sharing with others brings the greatest blessings. Thanks for listening. See you next time.